Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number of HP ProBook 450. To do it, you need to flip your laptop over. If your laptop has a removable battery, you will need to remove the battery. Before I do that, if your laptop doesn't have a removable battery, the serial number will be somewhere on the sticker. But since my laptop has a removable one, I need to first unlock this switch, switch lock, and this other one I need to hold to take the battery out. Now the battery is out, and the serial number will be found on the laptop itself. Here I have it. Just gonna zoom it in. You can see in my case it's the C something. I've zoomed in too close. It's the CND 5393C3X. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.